Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a welcome message to your guests on the BACH application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that click on the or scroll down and tap on this 2-month checklist button. After that, go to the top of the screen and then click on the set welcome message for your party guests button, which is the third option, and here you can type in your party announcement into this blank box. So type it in and then click on the submit button, and then your message will be set. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.